Hey food lovers, today we're diving into the delicious history of a dessert that's as rich in flavor as it is in tradition, kunafa. From caliphs to celebrations, let's explore the journey of this sweet treat that has been satisfying palates for centuries. Kunafa, also known as nafe, traces its origins back to the early Islamic period, specifically during the Umayyad Caliphate between 661 and 750 AD. This luxurious dessert first appeared in the Levant region, which includes modern-day Lebanon, Palestine, Jordan, and Syria, as well as Egypt. Historically, kunafa was a royal delicacy enjoyed by caliphs and their courts. It was considered a high-end treat due to its rich ingredients and intricate preparation. During the Umayyad and later the Fatimid Caliphate, kunafa became a staple in Middle Eastern cuisine, evolving and refining into the recipes we know today. Legend has it that kunafa was created to satisfy the hunger of caliphs during Ramadan. It was designed to be both filling and nutritious, providing the necessary energy for long hours of fasting. Some historical accounts even suggest that kunafa was prescribed by physicians to help maintain strength and combat hunger during fasting. Over time, kunafa became synonymous with celebrations and special occasions, particularly during Ramadan and Eid. Its rich, sweet flavor and ornate preparation made it a perfect dish for festive gatherings and hospitality. Now let's talk about the regional variations of kunafa. In the Levant, specifically in Nablus, Palestine, we have kunafa nabulsi. This version is known for its special white brine cheese called nabulsi cheese, fine semolina dough or shredded phyllo dough, and is soaked in sweet sugar syrup flavored with rose or orange blossom water. It's often topped with ground pistachios. In Egypt, particularly Alexandria, we find kunafa iskandarani. This variation uses a dough made from semolina, or thin vermicelli-like pastry strands. It's often filled with sweet cheese or clotted cream and is more syrupy. It's garnished with nuts and sometimes raisins. And in Turkey, we have the Turkish kunefe. This version is made with a cheese similar to mozzarella, layered between shredded phyllo dough. It's cooked until golden brown and soaked in sweet syrup, typically served hot with kaymak, or clotted cream. Preparing kunafa involves a few key steps. You start with a base layer of shredded phyllo dough, or semolina dough, in a generously buttered baking pan. Next, a layer of sweet cheese is added on top. Another layer of dough goes over the cheese, and then it's baked until golden brown and crispy. Once baked, it's soaked in sugar syrup, infused with rose or orange blossom water, and garnished with ground pistachios or other nuts. Serve it hot, and you've got yourself a piece of culinary history. So why has kunafa endured through the centuries? Its unique flavor and texture, combining crispy, buttery pastry with gooey, sweet cheese or cream filling, create a delightful contrast that's both rich and satisfying. Kunafa holds significant cultural heritage, often associated with family gatherings, religious celebrations, and festive occasions, making it a beloved dish across generations. Its versatility in adapting to different fillings and presentations keeps it relevant and appealing to modern tastes while retaining its traditional roots. Kunafa's rich history, cultural significance, and unique flavors make it a cherished dessert that continues to be enjoyed and celebrated around the world. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this journey through the history of kunafa, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.